Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A200 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To do that, open Google Chrome application, tap on three dots on the right corner and there scroll and choose settings option. In it, password manager, and there we can manage our password with our smartphone. Remember, maybe to our booking account, we can click that, but to manage it we need to have our lock screen. We can set in fast, and after we enter our new lock screen we can get connect to our passwords manager. In it we can copy our Gmail, copy our usernames and passwords by this first icon, or after we press this icon our smartphone show us password, which remember you can also edit all by tap on edit, and there we can write something new or change something. After you set all unit, we press save. By this icon we can share this password to someone, or we can delete all by delete and confirm by delete. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.